Hello everyone, as you can see we've got a new Apple TV in front of us. It is the brand new one that was released in May of 2021. It was just delivered yesterday. I had some things going on last night so I didn't get a chance to actually unbox it when I had planned to. So anyways, what I've got to the left is the previous model Apple TV. So I thought what would be good is to go ahead and unbox the new one, compare it in size and what's on the back as far as inputs, and then also compare the remote as well to the previous gen. No, this one is not going to be replacing that Apple TV. I have another Apple TV in the main room, actually, that is the oldest Apple TV in the house that is just at the point now where I just have to keep resetting it. It's not a 4K one, and it's the first Apple TV with the new interface. So it's time to replace it. And I'm actually looking forward to the new remote as well. So as I'm doing this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy first. Yeah, we'll go there. Why not? Should probably take a look at the outside of the box before we actually do that. But we'll go ahead and take this off. And as you can see, it is definitely the new one. We've got a Disney Plus logo on it. I don't think that was on there before. And it's got the ultimate cinematic experience. Enjoy stunning 4K HDR picture quality and immersive Dolby Atmos sound. All right, great. So there we go. And then of course we've got the TV 4K and the color there. So let's go ahead and take this off. Put that up there. We've got the new remote. It's heavier than I was expecting. That's not a bad thing. Take this out. This out. We've got a lightning cable, which should be for the remote. And that's that. That's all we've got in the box. So, standard lightning cable. Nothing really to talk about there. We've got power cable. Let's see if it fits the old one. It does, so that'll be awesome. Hopefully we can just replace that without having to take anything else out. And then we've got the remote. This thing I am really looking forward to. It is much more solid, and in just a moment what we'll do is we'll compare it to the other remote as well. I like how this feels though. It kind of feels like an old iPhone, the way that the edges are on this, which is not a bad thing. So awesome. And then yes, we do have stickers and instructions. I don't think I'm going to go through the setup because, I mean, if you've got an Apple TV, you know what the setup process is. There's not much to it. Got the Apple logo there on the bottom, just like the old one was. And then, there we go. So, take that out of the way there. And then on the back, I mean, size-wise, they are identical. I mean, look at that. It's absolutely the exact same. I got to be careful, make sure I remember which is which because they look almost exactly the same. All right, and then let's go ahead and I'll take this out so we can actually look. Size comparison wise, the new one is definitely bigger. Like I said, it's not a bad thing. It's got a hefty weight to it. And so we do have more buttons, and I'm looking forward to be able to use this as an actual wheel. That is one of the problems that I had with the old one. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and set this up. I'll go ahead and start using it. And, if there is something that makes sense to create another video on, I will definitely do that. But I thought, hey, let's go ahead and unbox this. People are probably curious what's in the box. How does it compare in size? I thought this was a good comparison here. And like I said, the inputs on the back are exactly the same. And even the power cable looks like you'll be able to use that interchangeably as well. So with that, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might be interested in. Me, myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me and will hopefully be of interest to you as well. So with that, have a great day.